So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can tag people on Instagram post. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now here, tap on this icon to create a new post. Now select the photo you want to post. For example this one. And then tap on next. Now tap on next again. After this, add a caption to the post. For example, new post. Tap on OK. Now after this, tap on tag people. And now you can tag the people. To tag the people, tap anywhere on the post. Like this. And now search for the person you want to tag. For example, I want to tag them. So I will tap on the profile name. And this will tag them. Once done, tap on done. And now tap on share to share the post. So this is how I can tag people on Instagram post. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.